I'm Rob Hansen, and I graduated Plymouth State in 2018 with a BFA and a focus in sculpture. Before coming to Plymouth State, I had no formal education as an artist other than color and design in high school. I explored most of the options that were available to me in studio, so printmaking, ceramics, painting, drawing, sculpture.
And it was really fun to watch him evolve as a student because he was able to figure out on his own through different class projects the types of things that he was really interested in pursuing.
When I presented my senior project, I presented it in the gallery. That wasn't really the place I intended for the project to be displayed. It had to do with the interaction between man and nature, and that tension and kind of balance comes between them. I ended up using a lot of steel and man-made materials in interaction with stone, logs, and other natural organic materials. But now it's displayed at White Mountain Disc Golf Course in Campton. It's kind of showing that true relationship with nature, with pieces beginning to rust and moss starting to take over pieces. Came in here looking for some more work, and turns out they needed someone, and I was in the right place at the right time.
He started out in the shop fabricating for a few weeks. We had him do just about every phase of fabrication out there, including running our CNC machine, which is all computerized. That was only a few weeks, and I said, that's enough. You're coming into the office. I want you to start designing.
This degree really takes part of the traditional art making and combines it with newer technologies that are driven by digital tools. And Rob's work and the students that he influenced, I think, really demonstrate this new model of multidisciplinary type work that goes on in the new program.